OJS. Welcome to the step-by-step guide of Open Journal System. We are excited to showcase our OJS tutorial, a result of our class project in Information Systems under the guidance of Ms. Rehana Kausar. Here are the list of members that are involved in the making of this project. Let's start with the downloading of OJS. Go to the Google search bar and type OJS download. Click on the first link and the following page will appear. Scroll down and click on the OJS 3.3 LTS download. Make sure you have a good internet connection for smooth downloading. It has downloaded. The OJS zip file will appear in the downloads. Moving forward to the step 2, download XAMPP to run OJS smoothly. Type XAMPP in the Google search bar and click on the first link. I am downloading 64-bit. Moving forward to the installation process, click on the downloaded file of XAMPP. Say yes, click OK. Next to each option, and the installation of XAMPP has started. After you click Finish, the following box will appear named as XAMPP Control Panel. For OJS running, we need first 3. Click on the Start and now back to square one. Look for the OJS extracted file we downloaded first. Here it is. Extract it into another folder. Click on Extract and the copying has started. Now copy this extracted file into XAMPP folder at local disk C. Click on it and look for htdocs and paste it here. The pasting has started. After pasting, rename that file into just OJS. Open the OJS file. You have to permit full control to OJS. For this purpose, go to Properties, select Security third column, then select Edit. Now tick the box says Fully Control Allow. Hit Apply and the access will be granted in few seconds. After finishing it, Go to the local disk C and create a new folder says Journals. Now let's go to the Google Chrome page and type localhost/phpMyAdmin/ in the search bar to create a new database. Make sure you will type it correctly. The following page will appear with multiple options of managing journals. As you can see, databases in the horizontal bar and new option in the sidebar. With this, now go to the databases section, hit new option in the sidebar for creation of new database. After hitting it, now you can enter databases names and click on create. Database OJS has created. Now open a new page in browser and type localhost/OJS/ in the search bar. After hitting enter, this page will appear guiding you about system requirements and mandatory pre-installation steps. All about the OJS version, etc. As you scroll down, you can see administrator account. To have full access to the system, add necessary details in the boxes. I have named my username as admin, entered my password, correctly repeat the password, entered my email, and I selected languages of my choice. You can enter yours. In file setting, enter the file name where uploaded files are to be kept. We have created journals, so we will enter it here. Database settings, I will name my username as root and give my database name as just OJS, with removing 2 in repository identifier, and hit the install button. You can save password for later use if forgotten. And installation has completed successfully. Let's get into the actual business of creating a journal. When you open OJS, this page will appear asking for username and password we have created earlier. Enter them to log in. After hitting login, this page will appear with hosted journals category. Click on create journal. The following box will appear. For good practice, we will take real journal for entry. I will take it the college and research libraries from Researchify. take it from here you can copy it too. Now go back and enter journal title, its initials and abbreviations. See how it goes? You can add journal description too if you want to. In the path section, add journal's initials you have entered earlier. Add checkboxes of languages. Tick them of your desired languages, primary locale in English, and enable the journal for public visibility. Now hit the Save button. As you can see, the changes we have made earlier are appeared here. In the appearance section, theme will be automatically selected. It is by default. Add color of your choice. You can customize it. And hit the Save button. Now go to the sidebar of languages. Check the boxes of your desired options. Then choose searching and indexing and restrictive bulk emails and design it accordingly. Now go back to journal setting and choose the plugins bar. You can check out installed plugins and can upload a new plugin too. You can check out plugin gallery too for exploration. As you can see by scrolling down, in the next option we have users. You can add multiple users, and by clicking add user and filling out the information in the appeared box. It will show the record of each and every user. Now go back to administration. We have covered hosted journals. Now we will see how site settings work. And select site settings. In languages section, you will see an option of install locale, where you can select the languages of your choice. See each and every language, facilitating each and every user around the world. In the bulk email section, you can enable or disable the bulk email option, which gives a journal manager choice to send email to its registered users all at once. Now go back to the hosted journal and click on the icon with the drop box appearing 4 options of edit, remove, setting wizard and so on, where you can redesign accordingly. You can edit later too, as you can see, abbreviations, journal description, path, etc., and save it later. By hitting setting wizard, you can change settings later. You can check out the registered users as well and can add multiple later too. You can create a new journal as well by hitting the Create Journal button at the left corner. Click on the icon present above at the most right corner, says College and Research Libraries. The submission section will appear. Move on to the journal section. Scroll down where it says Journal Summary. It gives reader journal idea. We will take it from About section of College and Research Library. We will copy it from there and paste it here. The journal summary and the About section of College and Research Libraries. It will look like more real as we do the real entry. Now hit the save button. Now move on to the second section, says Contact. Here will be the administrative staff details will be provided. It will be public so they can contact whenever they want. We will enter admin, our username as for less confusion, and enter our email. Phone number, you can add technical support staff details too, who can assist in reviewing publication and editing decisions. Enter details of technical support staff with their name, email and phone number and hit the save button. Now move on to the sections section. You can create multiple sections of articles and blogs and create different categories too. In website settings, add theme and color of your choice and save it. You can use different color scheme as well. Add vibrant colors so it will look more appealing and hit the save button. Move on to the setup section. Add journal's logo. It should be more appealing to user and add homepage image. Both of them should be ethically designed and more appealing to user. You can add social media and contact details of journal in the page footer section. We will provide production office details here. You can check out the source code of it and edit it from here as well. Check all the boxes of sidebar menu and hit the save button. You can see all changes you made in the local host web page. As you can see, the things we added appeared here. Now go back to advanced settings. You can add journal style sheet, CSS design in that, and add additional content as well that will appear on the web page, and customize CSS style sheet for making it more user friendly and appear more professional. Save it. In the setup section, you can see all the changes made earlier. You can customize navigation item menu as well. We will add location as a custom web page with a path. Let's see how we can do it. As you scroll down, you can see add item button at the most left corner. You can enter location as title and as a custom page. You can add the path. It will show how you can access it. Make sure it is correct so you can access it later without any hurdle. Hit the save button and this will be added to the collection. After adding, you can decide whether to add that item in which section. I will be adding this into About section. After saving, it has upgraded the menu and you will see on the localhost website after refreshing it. See, here is the location. You can add items as primary navigation menu in website setting by dragging it into like this. See how it goes. After saving it, you can see the upgraded results after refreshing it. See, here are the results. You can customize items to be shown in a list by going to the list section, and you can select a particular date and time too. Add plugins of your choice. See the checkboxes. In the workflow section, you can prevent users from submitting new articles by ticking this box. You can give access or restrict metadata of languages, subjects, source, rights, and so on. See how it goes. Now let's move on Now let's start working on the appearance of our journal website and make it more user-friendly and look like an actual journal. Click on College and Research Libraries. In the About section, present at the primary navigation menu, you can go and check out all the changes and editing done. In About the journal, as you can see, we have copied and pasted earlier. In Submissions, you can check out the checklist, articles, and so on. In Privacy Statement, you can state it as you can or want. In the Contact, you can enter your contact details as you like and want. Go back. And now let's get into the business and start by submitting an article. We move on to the submission. Click on New Submission. Now as you can see, there are 5 steps. By ticking box, we make sure that this has not been previously published. URL of references goes along with the article and text will be according to author's guidelines. We will be submitting as journal manager. Yes, I agree. Save and continue. This will show empty boxes in required field. You can check it out. Make sure it is all done. Save and continue. In number 2, you can add any accompanying material or supportive files that can support your entered draft. We will be adding report file. Click on Add File in the left corner. Add supportive files. This has uploaded. You can narrate what kind of file is this. We will be ticking box of research results. This report is containing research results. Save and continue. And number 3, you will be asked for entering metadata. The title, enter the title, College and Research Libraries. After title, add abstract that will indicate what kind of information this article has. We will copy it from the official website and paste it here. Click Save and Continue. In the 4th step, give confirmation of the final submission. Click on Finish Submission. Now the notification has sent to the journal manager. You can review your submission, create a new one, or can return to your dashboard. As you can see here in My Assigned, All Active and Unassigned, you can view the discussion and comments on the submitted article by hitting the arrow button in View Site. In the Issues section, you can create issues early that will make your information organized efficiently. Hit the Create Issue button. Go on to the volume, number, and year-wise. We will be entering 1 in each and year will be 2020. Title would be of course College and Research Libraries. Here we can add description as well, and most importantly the cover image we will be uploading as we already designed it earlier. Let's take journal. For example, it has uploaded successfully. Now save. Wait for it. And now the new issue is created. Volume number 1, 2020. As you can see, future issues. You can track back issues as well. There are no items. Now click back on College and Research Libraries. We can see archives as well and current issues as well. By clicking on the side icon College and Research Libraries, we can look for reports. We can download it as well. As you can see, subscription reports, view reports, article reports, each kind of report is present here. You can download it as well. In the users, you can view the users activity here, check and balance of registered users. In editorial activity, you can view the amount of submissions received, accepted and declined, all in editorial activity. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck.